Hey guys, Anthony here from XXX RC Garage, and I would call this a box opening, but since the box was already opened and repackaged, because it was on display at our RC store, XXX at Awesome RC Cars, the thing that blew me away is I didn't realize that they were back. I will do some research after I get ready to post a video, but a while back I was building mud trucks, and we were using the axle Smt10, like the Gravedigger and so forth. Well, I heard it had quit making them. Well, all of a sudden, lo and behold, Horizon Hobby got them back out again. And here's the booklet. Here's all the motor parts and stuff that you would do to completely trick out your truck, including all the body parts. And of course, the 2-channel Spectrum radio. I just can't believe that this thing is back. It kind of blew me away, because back when the mud truck craze was out, they quit making them. And of course, that made these things harder to find, harder to build, and everything else. And then all of a sudden, it's back. And there it is. I mean, it is exactly, from what I remember, what it was. All the way down to where the battery goes in the rear and everything. So, pretty much, if you're still into mud trucks, you can build a mud truck, or you can leave it a stadium truck, and I mean a stadium truck, but you know, a monster truck, and run it. So I can't believe it's back. This still got all the little packaging stuff, so it doesn't get scratched up in transit. But I can't believe it, and it's exactly what it was before. Now, it did before came with the plastic swing arms, and you know, everything was pretty much still plastic, but it didn't hurt the effect of it. I mean, the only reason we would upgrade this stuff for mud trucking just because we were going to beat the crap out of it pretty bad. This has got a Spectrum servo on the front now. Like I said, still even got the driver with the skull face in there. It's pretty cool. And here's the cool part, they're only $309. I mean, that's the price at my RC store. Now, I don't know, it could be a little bit of a difference somewhere else, but that's what he's retailing this for, and it's ready to run. Just put a battery in it, and just batteries in your radio. And I don't think there's batteries in this case anywhere. No. So you just need your 4 AA batteries for your radio, and of course your radio. Oh, and I noticed something. Take the body off. And it's got the axle pull tabs, which I like. Check this out. Check this out. It even comes, instead of a T-pin, it looks like it's coming with the XT60 plug. So, let's see here. I mean, that's what it looks like to me, the XT60. It says IC3, but I don't know, it looks like the XT60 to me, kinda. I might be wrong. So, but it's still got your driver with a skull head that you can turn, see? Got your water receiver, your waterproof receiver box, and also your different adjustments if you wanted to move your shock around. And look at that thing. Thing's still as cool as it always was. Got some metal shocks here. I mean, the caps are plastic and the adjuster's plastic, but it does have the long reach shocks, and so it's got the motor parts here, and I'm assuming that if you wanted to add the motor and the blower on this thing, you could do that back here as well. Comes with everything here for it. It even comes with a shield here that would go down here that you could paint and put your like the stadium numbers or whatever. Looks like there's a tire tool in here. I don't know, man, it's pretty cool. Kind of psyched about it. Definitely something I'm gonna look into here down the road, for sure, because I mean, I thought these were fun. The only reason I got out of the mud truck part of it is just because this clay here in North Carolina tends to gum up everything pretty bad. And but as far as playing monster trucks go, I think this still would be pretty cool to set up a little run and do it all. So there it is, guys, the Gravedigger. I just know they're great trucks, and there's a lot of people who've ran these in the past before, and I'm kind of glad to see they're back. Anyway, Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, have fun with RCs.